morning, welcome back to the channel.
We're up at the Sisters lookout. I guess
Second Sisters?
something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit out of breath at present. We've just had a pretty fair walk up to we're in a little area, I guess you'd call it part of Upper Scamander on the east side of Tassie. And from here, even though right this moment we are facing west, behind us, and we can't see it in this view just at present, is the east coastland around Scamander and what have you, which is pretty well known for beaches.
So it's a bit of a hike up here, but well worth the effort.
Just stunning views. What a pearler of a day. Yeah, beautiful.
Anyway,
Yeah.
we'll show you some of the view. If you can see that track down there, that's the way we came. We'll be obviously going back that way. It's a bit gnarly in places.
Just an incredible view from up here. Breathtaking. Camped here in this beautiful little spot at Lake Leake. It's a free camping area, and it's one of those bloody top spots that has a pub. Heather quite likes the idea of the pub at a camping spot, and there's a couple that we've stopped at so far, and they're free. You can camp in here, you can go and have a glass of wine, beer if you're so inclined. And the beauty of this place here is the chef is a butcher, so he picks up the best cuts of meat. We had a steak last night, and the last time we were here, oh geez, it was nice. Having a go at cooking on this barbecue, whatever you want to call it, that I knocked up in the workshop before we left. This is the first opportunity we've had to get it to work. We've had fire restrictions and excess winds and all manner of things. So this is a first. It all clips together. It's made up out of individual pieces. This piece here holds the two things there together. That has got a chain link around it, and they just fit over. That there is reversible. You can flip it over the other way and it has a grill on it. And there's the swing about tray there that can either be a hot plate or the open tray.
Well, the publican just came over just to introduce himself with his two beautiful children and gave us some oysters. So we thought we'd throw one in the fire. Fortunately, Garry doesn't like oysters, so yay. Wow, look at that. I don't know what it'll taste like, but we'll give it a go. If anybody's got any recipes for oysters, cooked on the campfire or something, I really appreciate that.
Might be hot.
It is hot. Wow, this looks amazing. Thank you. Guys, you've got to try this. Oysters in the fire. Absolutely. Oh, yes. Here's thanks to the publican of Lake Leake Hotel. These oysters are from St. Helens and they're absolutely amazing. You taste the sea. If anyone knows Garry, they know he stays well away from any cooking duties and the kitchen. But tonight he's surpassed any expectations that I've ever had. Delicious lamb with rosemary and garlic and baked potato. If you're impressed by Garry's culinary expertise, please leave a comment down below.
It's a rare thing. And it's even more rare when it works.
Anyway, until next time, we'll catch you on the next video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
So what's for dessert, Garry?
We've got some baked apple with sultanas, and is this strawberry ice cream?
Raspberry.
No, raspberry ice cream. Oh, yeah. This will sort out my sweet tooth.